Hi there, students. Obdurate. Obdurate, an adjective. Obdurately, the adverb. So obdurate means stubborn. Stubbornly refusing to change your mind or change the course of action that you've decided to take. The donkey obdurately refused to move. Try as I might, he would not move. He wouldn't move forward even if I pulled. I tried a carrot, but he wouldn't move. I tried pushing. I tried everything, but he obdurately refused to move. If somebody has decided to do something that you think is stupid or dangerous or wrong, and you try to persuade them but they won't listen to you, then they are being obdurate. They obdurately refuse to listen to your arguments. They won't change their mind. So obdurate, impervious to persuasion. Stubbornly persistent in doing something wrong. Refusing to reform or to repent. An obdurate sinner continues sinning. Mr. Trump obdurately refuses to wear a mask. He obdurately tried and tried and tried again, and finally he was successful. But on the other hand, it's not very wise to repeat the same thing again and again and expect a different outcome. I don't know. The alcoholic obdurately continued drinking. The pessimist obdurately refused to look on the bright side. The student obdurately continued to translate from his mother tongue into English. So obdurate, not changing your mind or your path, despite persuasion or clear evidence that it's not the right thing to do. Obdurate, stubborn, dogged, persistent, relentless, adamant, intractable. The teacher obdurately made English videos every day for years and years. Come on, stop being so obdurate and listen to reason. So obdurate, refusing to change your mind. I think I'd probably give obdurate something like a 7, maybe even a 7.5 in formality. It sounds quite literary as well. I think in an informal conversation I'd use stubborn or unchanging. Yeah, you're stubbornly doing something. And as to the origin, well, we have a Latin word, obduratus. Okay, ob, against, and duro, hard. So hard against, refusing to move away from is the idea. Okay, so if you're obdurate, you refuse to change your mind. You refuse to change what you're doing. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Obdurate.